Welcome to Berry Life. Today we're making a quick and delicious umami-rich pasta dish. It's spicy, it's creamy, and it's one of our go-to dishes when we're short on time. So let's get started. We'll start by bringing a pot of water to boil, and use only half the recommended amount of water so it's extra starchy. We'll add salt and cook the pasta to al dente, per package instructions. Before draining the pasta, we'll save 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. While the pasta is cooking, in a separate pot, we'll add olive oil, along with a tablespoon of butter for extra flavor. Then we'll add the minced garlic. We'll saute the garlic for about 30 to 60 seconds, and allow the garlic to infuse the butter and the oil. Then we'll add the chopped onions and allow them to turn translucent. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we'll add our tomatoes and allow them to cook and pop. Once the tomatoes are softened, we'll break them down using the back of the spoon. Why were the kids afraid of the pepper on Halloween? Because it was a ghost pepper. Then we'll add the tomato paste, stir it to combine, and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Next we'll add harissa. Harissa is a spicy garlicky Tunisian sauce that is great to use as an ingredient, a dip, or a condiment. Next we'll add 1 cup of vegan heavy cream. Or you can use regular heavy cream. Wow, just look at that color pop. You can almost taste the richness right here. Then we'll add some black pepper for a little extra spice and fragrance. And salt to taste, the hidden superstar. Remember the pasta water we saved? We'll add half of that to help control consistency. If the sauce is too thick, add a little more. If it's too thin, allow the sauce to cook and reduce. Now in goes the cooked pasta. Because the pasta has starch on the surface, the sauce will thicken even more. If it's too dry, add a little more pasta water. Just tweak it to how you like it. At this point, we turn off the heat and add some Parmesan cheese. This is entirely optional. Let's be honest, it's really not. Listen to your heart to say when. And some freshly chopped parsley, which helps cut through the richness of the pasta with its citrusy bite. Now we give it a final mix, and that's it. Harissa pasta is done. If you like this recipe, click the like button and leave a comment below. Also be sure to subscribe for more great content. We upload recipes every week and you don't want to miss out. And share this with your friends and family to spread the love. With a little more Parmesan and parsley, a taste of Tunisia in the comfort of your own home. Man, I cannot wait to dig in. That color is just so tempting. Make it for the holidays, or a date night, or just plain old Monday. Whatever suits you. Check out the description below for the full recipe. Enjoy!